What's the fastest you've ever seen a new coworker get fired? 1. Before he even clocked in. Showing up drunk for your first day as a truck driver is frowned upon by management. 2. 3 days. New nurse didn't feel like being transferred to another area to work after 2 people called out. Started yelling at the nurse manager. However, the NM's regional manager was also visiting that day, so she went over to the shouting nurse and said, "Your manager asked you to please go work in building 3 today. Please pack up your things and go to 3 for the day." New nurse. Who the fuck are you? Get out of my face. She was fired by the regional nurse manager and escorted out by security 20 minutes later. 3 worked at a strip club and girl came in to audition and did great. Come back the next day for her first shift. She brought her boyfriend. Nobody knew it was her BF who tried to fight the first guy who put money in her thong during her first song before she even took anything off. She made it about 3 minutes into her first shift. 4. Started training a new waitress who got into a screaming match with a customer over how to pronounce quinoa. She lasted exactly 37 minutes. Manager just pointed to the door without saying a word. 4. Mail on Friday from the boss. Let's welcome Mary back on Monday.